Hello everyone, I am Belsa. Today we are going to learn new Afan Oromo basic words in alphabet A to Z. This today words starts by using I and J. If you are new for my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and tutorials. I am Brisa. Ashama akkam jirtu ani barasaadha har'a immoo kutaa biraan walitti deebineerra. Kutaa kana keessatti immoo kan nuti barannu qubee afaan Oromoo kan ta'an keessaati. Jechoota afaan Oromoo barbaachisoo kan ta'an qubee iidhaaf jaan kan kaa wal faana baranna. Kanas kan nuti barannu afaan Oromoo fi Ingiliff akkasumas immoo Amaariffaanidha. Egaa hundumti keessan YouTube kiyyaaf haaraa taataninnaan subscribe, like, share gochuu hin dagatina. I am Barasa. ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ? እኔ በረሳ ነኝ። ዛሬ ደግሞ በሌላ ቱቶሪያል ተመልሰን ተገናኝተናል። በዚሁ ደግሞ የምንማረው የአፋን ኦሮሞ አይና ብጄ የምነሱትን ይመለከታል። በዚህ ቱቶሪያል ትማራላችሁ። አሪፍና መረጥ የተደረጉ አፋን ኦሮሞ ወርዶችን ካቻፕ ታረጋላችሁ። በሌላው ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ደግሞ ሰብስክራይብ ሳታረጉ አትላፉ። ትምህርታችን ተጀምሯል። Learn Afan Oromo basic words in alphabet A to Z. Today letter is I. When you want to pronounce I in Afan Oromo, we used to say E means I in Afan Oromo. Let's see some words. The first word is Ifa. Ifa means in English light. Or you can say bright, or you can say clear. In Amharic, ብርሃን የሚበራ ማለት ነው። ብርሃን ማለት in Afan Oromo ifa. Let's see the next. Ijaarsa means in English build, or you can say construction. In Amharic በአማርኛ ደግሞ ግንባታ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ኢጃርሳ ግንባታ ማለት ኢጃርሳ ilma means in English son, or you can say boy. In Amharic ወንድ ልጅ ማለት ilm in Afan Oromo. Enough to means in English jealous. In Afan Oromo enough to. Jealous means in Afan Oromo enough to. In Amharic you can say ቅናተኛ የሚቀና ማለት ነው። ኢናፍቱ ማለት ቅናት የሚቀና ቅናተኛ ማለት ነው። Let's see the next one. Ibidda means in English fire. Ibidda means fire. In Amharic ኢሳት ማለት in Afan Oromo ibidda. Ilkaan means in English tears. In Amharic ጥርስ ማለት in Afan Oromo ilkaan. Ijoollee means in English children. In Amharic ልጆች 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 ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ijoollee ijoollee ittisuu 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 means in English defensive 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 prevent 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 means in afaan oromoo ittisuu in amharic መከላከል 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 means in afaan oromoo ittisuu መከላከል ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ittisuu 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 means መከላከል ማለት ነው። እርባታ 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 means in English we can say super super or you can easily say dinner 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 means erbata have you eaten your dinner means erbata ke nyaatetta in afaan oromo in amharic we can say erat erat ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ erbata erbata erat ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ erbata erat erat ማለት erbata the other one is ishee 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 means in English she 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 means in afaan oromo ishee in amharic iswa 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 ማለት in afaan oromo ishee next one is injifannoo 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 means in English victory 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 in amharic ድል ድል መንሳት injifannoo ድል ድል ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ injifannoo ነው የሚባለው። ilaalcha 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 means in English attitude attitude or ideology 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 in Amharic አመለካከት አመለካከት ማለት in afaan oromoo ilaalcha imaltuu 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 means in English passenger passenger or you can say tourist 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 or in Amharic you can say ተሳፋሪ ተሳፋሪ መንገደኛ icciitii 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 means in English secret secret in Amharic you can say ምስጢር ምስጢር ማለት icciitii in afaan oromoo ምስጢር ማለት icciitii j in afaan oromoo we used to pronounce it ja 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 let's see some words jannata 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 means in English paradise 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 means jannata in Amharic ገነት 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 ነው የምንለው። jalqaba 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 means in English beginning beginning first first in Amharic ጀምር ጀምር መጀመር ማለት ነው። the next one is jaalala jaalala means in English love 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 or you can say affection 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 in Amharic you can say ፍቅር 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 ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ jaalala jaalala jeequu 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 means in English disturb or you can say interrupt. interrupt in Amharic በአማርኛ መረብሽ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ጄቁ the next one is jeequmsa means in English we used to say chaos or you can say disturbing chaos or disturbing means in Afaan Oromo jeequmsa in Amharic tirmis jette means in English rumors in Amharic alubalta ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ jette jireenya means in English life or living in Amharic we can say ህይወት ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ jireenya jijjiirama means in English we can say change ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ jijjiirama in Amharic we can say ለውጥ in Amharic jibbisiisaa means in English awful disgusting awful disgusting in Amharic አስከፊ or you can say አስጸያፊ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ jibbisiisaa the next one is joonjo'uu means in English confused in Amharic ግራ መግባት jibba means in English aggression or you can say hate in Amharic መጥላት means jibba in Afaan Oromo jarjaruu means in English hurry or in Amharic መፍጠን ወይም መቸኮል የሚል ነው። jabeenya means in English strength in Amharic ጥንካሬ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ jabeenya jajuu means in English admire or you can say appreciation In Amharic, ማድነቅ ማድነቅ ማድነቅ። Thank you very much. See you on the next coming classes. በጣም አመሰግናለሁ እስካሁን ስለተከታተላችሁ። በሚቀጥለው ጊዜ ላይም ደግሞ የምንማረው በኬ እና በኤል የሚነሱ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ቃላቶችን ይሆናል። እስከዛው እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ፣ ይመቻችሁ ይላለሁ። ደህና ሁኑ።